Hi everyone, this is Kai, and this is our third video in our Beginner's Guide to Web Development series. So let's get started. Where did we Where did we leave off? Well, let's check that out by right-clicking our document and opening up our site. We had this site. Now let's open this up with our text editor. Again, I'm using Sublime. You can use any editor that you like. So we have our head with the title, and we see that up here in the tab. And then we have our H1 that says, "My awesome site, welcome." H1 again is the largest heading tag that is available. We have the image sourced from this website right here, specified by its URL. And then again we have another heading, but this one's a smaller one. It's the H3 tag. And then these are all wrapped in center tags. Alright, so by the end of this tutorial, what we want to do is we want to source this locally, because this is working right now, but if we were to turn the internet off, which we will do right now, you can see that we no longer are able to access this image. So I'm going to turn the internet back on. I'm going to delete this, and before we go further, I'm going to start discussing document hierarchy. So we've thus far have been accessing this index.html page from our desktop, but that's not very good practice. What we want to do is create a new folder, call it my awesome site, and I'm using camel text, which is, as you can see, I'm going between lowercase and uppercase for the first letters of the words, and you start lowercase with the first word. So my awesome site, go inside of that. I'm gonna, just in anticipation, create another folder called images. I'm gonna drag this index.html page in there. Now we have to reload our text editor since we moved it from a desktop to a different directory, and open it with Sublime. Open. We're going to close Google Chrome. And then now, since we need to get this image, we're going to go to Google Chrome. We're going to go to the inspect part of this page. It's really cool. We can see the HTML for any website. And we're going to access the source of this image right here. So we can see that it's from this web page. And I'm going to go there. And I'm going to save it as burrito cat in my downloads. And I've already saved this before, but I'm going to save it again. And now I'm going to just drag and drop it into, I'll do this so you can see. I'm going to drag and drop this into my images. And now, instead, I'm going to close this. Instead of accessing this image from the internet, since now I have it on my computer, instead I'm going to do a period / which just is the same as me double clicking this directory and going inside of it. And then I want to access this image right here, burritocat.jpg or JPEG, burritocat.jpg. Save it, go back, and then right click it, open with any browser that you choose. So I made a mistake right here. We have to go into the directory. I made a mistake, but like I said, what we're doing is we're double clicking into images. Bam, we're in this directory here now. And here we're in the images directory. And then we're accessing this image burritocat.jpg right here. Save it, reload, there we go. Now if we were to turn the internet off, we can reload this page, it's still there. It doesn't matter. We no longer are reliant on going outside of our network to access that. So what else can we do? So we're gonna clear something up. In the last tutorial, I told you that you could use this break tag right here. And well, I actually wrote it as BR, zoom in there for you. I wrote it as BR /. If you're gonna use a break tag, you're gonna want to write it with a BR just like that. It's a self-closing tag. And then also on this image tag right here, which is also another self-closing tag, doesn't require a BR tag because it automatically does a line break for you. So just clean that up, save it, refresh. We're all good and dandy. I guess since we have time, I'll show you one more cool little trick. So for my awesome site, welcome. Maybe we want to make this color different because black is getting boring. So again, we'll do some more sloppy, dirty coding and do style is equal to color, green, and close it, refresh, and you can see that we've changed the font color. And again, by using this style reference right here, I believe it's called reference. I'll double check with you on that. But by using that right there, what we're accessing is CSS, or rather Cascading Style Sheet, which is another language that goes hand in hand with HTML. And like I said, in the future we'll be going over how to utilize this, as well as other cool design languages like jQuery, and then we'll go into some coding like JavaScript.